what's up? Today I'm gonna be like, just come a little closer and I'll tell you. A little bit closer. Good, good, good. Well, in today's video, we're just gonna be going up to random people and asking them, to recreate, like, random Yeeps sound effects. Was that a good recreation? I totally didn't just, like... that was totally my voice.
It was an IKEA meatball.
Go.
IKEA meatball? What? I'm not an IKEA meatball. It might be.
Can you recreate the Yeeps eating sound effect?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, me neither. I don't really believe
I mean,
Eating? That is not eating.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
Can you recreate the block placing sound effect?
I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is.
Can you recreate the sound of gaming cotton? Those things.
I think it's something.
Those were some very questionable sound effects.